Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English Daily. I'm so happy you are here today. In this video, we will practice English speaking for daily life. We will learn useful phrases, do short conversations, and practice speaking step by step. Are you ready? Great. Let's begin. Section 1, Greetings or Introductions. Let's start with the basics. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is underscore underscore underscore. Nice to meet you. How are you doing today? Wow, you did great. Now let's go for some mini conversation. A. Hello, my name is Sarah. What's your name? B. Hi Sarah, my name is John. Nice to meet you. A. Nice to meet you too. Now, repeat this conversation with me. Wow, you did great. Now let's go for section 2, daily activities. We often talk about our daily life. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English every day. I come back home. I eat dinner. I go to bed. Wow, you are doing great. Now let's do some mini conversation. Repeat after me. A. What time do you wake up? B. I wake up at 7 o'clock. A. What do you do in the morning? B. I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. Wow, you did great. You are already at section 3, shopping in English. Now, let's learn phrases for shopping. Repeat after me. Excuse me, how much is this? Can I try this on? Do you have this in a larger size? I like this one. I don't like that one. Can I pay by card? Thank you very much. Wow, you are doing and practicing great. Now let's have some mini conversation. Repeat after me. A. Excuse me, how much is this shirt? B. It's $20. A. Okay, can I pay by card? B. Yes, of course. Repeat it. Wow, you are doing great. Now let's go for section 4 at a restaurant. Now, let's practice at a restaurant. Repeat after me. Can I have the menu, please? I would like some water. I'll have a sandwich, please. Can you recommend something? The food is delicious. Can I have the bill, please? Wow, you are going great. Now let's have a mini conversation. Repeat this with me slowly. A. Hello, can I have the menu, please? B. Yes, here you are. A. Thank you. I'll have a sandwich and some water. B. Of course. Anything else? A. No, thank you. That's all. Wow, you are almost there to end the session. Let's go for last section 5, small talk. Small talk helps us connect with people. Repeat after me. How's the weather today? It's sunny. It's raining. Where are you from? I'm from India. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. That's great. Wow, that was amazing. Now let's go to have a last mini conversation. Repeat after me. A. Hi, how's the weather today? B. It's sunny and nice. A. Great. Do you like music? B. Yes, I love music. A. Me too. Wow, well done. You did it. You practiced. Greetings, daily activities. Shopping, restaurant English. Small talk. Keep practicing these phrases every day. Remember, the more you speak, the more confident you become. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Daily. See you in the next lesson.